Hi, my name is Marcia Smith. I'm here at the Home Buying Club and I want to know, how bad do you want it? Do you want to become a homeowner? I can help you. Do you want to have excellent credit and know how to keep your credit? I can help you. At the Home Buying Club, my goal is to help you understand the home buying process. If you know that you are not ready and not where you need to be, give me a call because I can help you get that life-changing experience that you need and become a homeowner and financially free. How bad do you want it?